potential inside.
My potential.
Today I pledge
Say my pledge.
with all my might.
All my night.
I shall achieve you my potential inside.
My potential inside.
Let's open up your eyes. Kiteshri. Very good. Today you are. Okay. Very good. Open up your eyes and a big good morning to Vanilla Mom. Unmute yourself. Yeah, good morning. Yeah, good morning. Louder, louder, louder.
Good morning, बोलो.
Morning. Morning, Kadambari. You all joined, I didn't see you. Very good. Okay, now children, stand up, don't sit down, keep standing. No one should sit. All of you stand up. Right, if you're happy and you know it. Okay, Arya Barnidharan, stand up. Srinija, stand up. Everyone should stand, okay? Do the actions, okay? If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Left, right. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Left, right. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. Left, right. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. Adya Sharma. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, turn around. Turn around. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. Jump up high. Nicely jump up high, children. You have to be active. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. Unmute yourself and shout hooray. All of you, unmute yourself. Shout hooray. And you really want to say, if you're happy and you know it, shout hooray. If you're happy and you know it, say good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Very good, very good, very good, very good. Well done. And the next time is what are you doing? Roly poly, ready? Roly poly. Up, up, up. Do the action, children. Up means what you do? Up. Nakshatra, up. Roly poly, down, 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 down. Down, okay? Roly poly. Right, right, right. Where is your right hand? Right hand. Right side, right side. Roly poly, left, left, left. Roly poly, front, 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 front. This is your front, front. This is your front. Roly poly, back, back, back. Where is your back? Back. Roly poly, big, big, big. Big means how will you show? Big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. Small means like this you will show. Small, small. Roly poly, tall, 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 like this, up you will see. Roly poly, short, short, short. Roly poly, slowly, slowly, slowly. Slowly means ma'am is moving my hand slowly. Slowly, 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 slowly. Roly poly. Fast, 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 fast. along with your parent, whoever is next to you. And I want you to see who is tall and who is short. Come on, stand with your parents. Who is near you? Your mama, your papa, whoever is near you. Come on, stand. Who is tall, children? Who is tall? யாரு டாலா இருக்காங்க? Who is tall? To look down. Okay? Short. Hiteshri, you are only tall. The mama is not tall. Short. Okay? Upside down, you are doing better. Tall. Tall na உயரமா இருக்கிறது. Height. Who is tall? Your daddy. Right, Shravanya? Who is tall? Shravanya, who is tall?
Mummy.
Mummy, okay. Kadambari, who is tall? Mama. Okay. Who is short? You children are very short. Yes? Okay, very good. Clap hands for yourself. Now I want you to close your fingers tight. Close your fingers tight. We are going to rope count now. Ready? Ready, all of you. I want all of you to close your fingers and release your finger one by one, not all together. One by one. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 to 20. Close your fingers one more time. One more. Close your fingers. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. After 19, what will come? 19, what will come? Let me think. What is the number after 19? 20. Okay, 20. All of you stand up. We are going to do actions now. Running. Run in your place itself. Don't run out of the session, please. Run in your place itself. Arya Barnidharan. Run. Run. Yeah. Running. Jumping. Jump. Shravanya, jump. Jump. Monica, jump. Jump. Now fly. Fly like a butterfly. Fly like a bird. Fly. How will you clap your wings and fly, children? Fly. Fly. Yes? Very good. Stop it. Now we'll play a game. Shall we play a game? Stop it, everyone. Look at ma'am. When ma'am is saying big ball, you have to show your hands like this. And ma'am is saying small ball, you will show your hands like this. Okay? Big ball means how will you show? Big. Small ball, small. Big ball, big. Small ball, small. Ready? Ready, all of you? Ready? Thumbs up if you are ready. I want all of you to mute yourself. Thumbs up, everyone. Ready? Steady. Srinija is ready. Okay, ready? Steady. Go. Big ball. Big ball. Small 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 ball. Big ball. Big ball. Out. Yukta, you are out of the game. I said big ball. Listen carefully. Big ball. Small ball. Big ball. Small ball. Big ball. Small ball. Small ball. Keshav, I said small ball. but you showed me big ball. Very good, children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Come on. Drink one glass of water. Definitely everyone should drink. Okay? Drink and come back fast. Children, ma'am is waiting here.
கேமரா ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. கேமரா ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டாங்க.
Ready? Ready for attendance? Adarsh. 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 Here I am. Very good, Adarsh. Arya Bharadharan.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I am.
Arya
சொல்லு.
Arya.
Yeah, ma'am.
Don't worry. Say here I am. After attendance, we'll play. Okay? Next is Adya Sharma. Adya Sharma. Adya.
Here I am.
Okay, thank you, Adya. Ilango. Ilango. Ilango.
Ma'am.
Thank you, Ilango. Hiteshi.
My name is
Hiteshi.
Here I am.
Hiteshi.
Here I am.
Okay, Martin, you Hiteshi.
Others, please put your mic on mute. Parents, please put your mic on mute.
Kevin. Kevin.
Here I am.
சொல்லு
Kevin,
Here I
okay.
am. சொல்லு.
Keshav. Keshav. Kadambari. Yeah, thank you, ma. Kadambari. Okay, Keshav. Kadambari. Thank you, Kadambari. Nakshatra. Yeah, okay. Nakshatra.
நட்சத்திரா
Nakshatra. Okay,
Sound,
very
sound.
good. Nitish. Okay, ma. Nitish.
Here I am. நல்லா சொல்லு. Here I am.
Very good, Nitish. Nimalan. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Okay, Manasa. Very good, Manasa. Pranav. Very good, Pranav. Riyasri. Riyasri.
சொல்லு here I am சொல்லு. சொல்லுடா. இல்ல. சொல்லு here I am சொல்லு.
Very good, Riyasri. Sara. Sara, very good, Sara. Sai Priyan.
பாத்ரூம் போயிருக்காங்க மேம். சாய் பீரியஸ் பாத்ரூம்.
சரி மார்க் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். சிவபிரணவி.
Here I am சொல்லு.
Very good, Pranavi. Pravina. Thank you, Pravina. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Very good. Yukta. Very good, Yukta. Shravanya. Shravanya.
Here I am.
Very good, Shravanya. Thank you. Okay, children, now take your ball, everyone. Bring your ball. You are going to throw up and catch it for 3 times. Throw up and catch. மேல தூக்கி போட்டு பிடிக்கணும். Okay? 3 times you have to catch. Catch it properly 3 times. Be careful. Don't drop it on the laptop. And then don't get scoldings for me from your parents. Okay? Slowly put it up. Throw up and catch your ball. Little bit higher. Little bit higher. Like that, Hiteshri. Good. Look up when the ball goes up. Then only you will know how it is coming down. Very good, Yukta. Good. Nimalan, good. Ravina and Pranavi, why don't you play with the ball? And then who's this? Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Good. Shravanya, good. Tilakar. Riyashri, good. Srinija, that much big ball, Pranav, throw up and catch, Pranav. It's still in your hand. Kadambari, good. Kadambari also big ball. I don't know how you are going to catch it. Then, where is Manasa? Where is Ilango? Now come on, Pranavi and Pravina. One by one you can play. Okay? Yes, Sai Priyan. Good, very good. Okay, now stop it. Now we are going to throw to your parents and catch it back. Whoever is next to you, you are going to throw to your parents. Ammako, appako ball pote thiripi pudikkanum. Okay? Come on, throw the ball to your parents and catch it back. You should not hand it over in their hand. Throw it to the child and then again you catch it back. Catch. Nimalan, where is your mom? Yes, good, Shravanya. With both of your hands, you catch the ball. Okay? Very good, Shravanya. Very good, Tilakar. Good, Manasa. Good. Yukta, good. Yukta, very good. Sarah. Good girl, Sarah. Srinija. You throw the ball and catch it. It's too big. If you have a small ball also, you can use. Very good. Use. Good. Very good, Srinija. Good. Well done. Kadambari. Very good, Kadambari. Riyashri, good. Keshav. Keshav, what are you doing, Keshav? Kevin doesn't make ball. Arya, very good, Arya. Adya Sharma. Arya is very happy to play with ball. Adya, unmute yourself and let me see Adya. Whom are you playing with?
Papa.
Yeah, Papa. Now come on, throw the ball and catch. Go to your mama.
Go catch up. Go throw the ball.
Chucho. Throw it to your mom. Catch it. Catch with both of your hands. Catch. Adya, I have to work on it, Adya. Very good, children. Thank you so much. Kadambari, very nice. Thank you so much, parents. And then children, keep your ball aside. Very good. Clap hands for yourself. I've done it very well. Clap hands for yourself. Very good. But very sad that no one is able to play with Vanilla Mom. What to do? Clap hands for yourself. Very good. Now it's time for rhymes. What rhymes shall we say? What rhymes do you want? Wheels on the bus? Ready? Wheels on the bus. So who is going to sing Wheels on the Bus?
No.
Okay, Hiteshi, come on, sing. Wheels on the bus.
No.
Not twinkle. Wheels on the bus. Wheels on the bus. all through the town. The vibers on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The vibers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. On the bus goes beep, 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 beep. The horn on the bus goes beep, 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 all through the town. The conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 ticket. The conductor in the bus says ticket, 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 all through the town. The door in the bus goes open and close, open and close, open and close. Door in the bus goes open and close, all through the town. The baby in the bus goes. The baby in the bus goes. Mama, what did she say? The mama in the bus said. All through the town. Very good. Now all of you bring your slate and chalk. Bring your slate and chalk, children. Time for writing practice. Bring your slate and chalk paste. Okay. Draw lines.
Wish on the bus going round and round, round and round,
Finish.
on the bus.
Like this, you have to draw. Check. Parents draw checks like this and give it to them in the slate. If you don't have slate, you can use rough notebook. Ravanya. If you don't have slate, you can use rough notebook. Ravanya. Ridinya, please help her. Is ready with your slate? Let me see all of you are ready. If you are ready, thumbs up. Thumbs up if you are ready. Keshav is ready, ah? Double thumbs up, ah?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Is ready? Good. Okay, shall we start? Shall we start? Okay, before start writing here, I want you to turn the slate.
CPI. Chingy under.
What happened, Makesha? Okay.
No.
First, we are going to learn double curve pattern. Mute yourself, Sarah. Sarah, mute yourself.
Ma'am, she is telling that she got a new slate.
You got a very good, Sarah. I'm not able to hear. Sorry. Very nice slate. Come on. Turn your slate. We are going to learn double curve today. Okay? See here. First we learn front side curve, back side curve, right? Today we are going to learn double curve. See here. One curve, another curve. Without taking your hand, you should write one curve, another curve. First curve you should finish fully, children. And then go back and come back. Parents, you can draw the curve and give it to them. Let them overwrite on that. First, a big curve, write and give it to them. Let them overwrite. And the way is, first they have to finish full curve here. And then go back. And then come down. Come on, children. If you are feeling it very difficult, ask your mama or papa to write and give you. Write over that. Very good. What, ma? Yes, ma. Go and come.
Wish, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, Keshav. Good boy. Who else finished? Very good, Tilaka. Very good, Kadambari. Again and again, please, children, don't again and again you have to do this curve pattern. Curve pattern. One curve, another curve.
आणि देखा तुम कशी काय
Very good, Yukta. Good, very good. Shravanya. Shravanya, good one. Very good.
Arya's done.
Anya, very good.
तू बेबी
Keshav, mute yourself. Hitesh, after finishing overwriting our bit, separately you have to write another double side curve. Separately you have to write another double side curve. Yes, Sai Priyan, good mark. Yeah, good Sai Priyan. Finish and solite paduthachu. There is more to write down. Very good, Pranna. Well done, Pranna. Nitish, very good, Nitish. Sarah, beautiful Sarah, very good. Or else you can guide them with dots also. They are feeling very difficult to write 3 dots. 1, 2, 3 dots. Okay? First dot to the second dot with a curve and second to the third dot with another curve. Okay? Yeah, Yukta, I saw yours, Kana. Very nice.
She wrote herself, ma'am.
Huh?
She wrote herself.
Very good, very good. Srinija, finish. Manasa. Adya.
Mama, I finished my food.
Is it double curve or single curve? Adya. Double, huh? One more time. Very good, Keshav. Very good, Adya. Well done, Adya. One more time, Adya. Right, one more time. Keshav. Sorry, Kevin. Very good, Kevin. Nitish. Nimalan. Very good, Nimalan. Good boy. Nitish. Ilangu. Who's this? I can't see the child's face. Archana. Who's that? Srinija. Very good, Srinija.
சர்க்கிள் போட்டுக்கிறேன்.
Yes, Nitish. Yeah, I saw yours, ma Pranav. If you are finished, you can mute yourself. Those who didn't show alone, unmute yourself and show it to me. Ilango, I didn't see yours. Ilango. Tilakar. Show me how you have written. Double curve, not single curve. Very good, Sarah. Good girl, Sarah. Sarah is in good mood today. Very good, Tilakar. Good. Very good. Now, okay, erase your slate. Turn your slate again to this text. Okay? Again to this text. Very good, Adya Sharma. Well done. Now she is able to write. Yeah, very good, ma Adya. Now you are able to write curve. Yesterday your mom said you are not able to write. But now you are writing perfectly. Very good.
Daddy, do you want to see my
Okay, children, ready? Take your text side. First alphabet is A. Come on, write A.
ஏ
mom?
மேம் இப்ப ஏ எப்படி போடணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்படி ஒண்ணு போட தெரியும்ல ஏ. எழுது.
If you know to write A, you can write A. Slanting line, sleeping line. A. Slanting line, sleeping line. A. You need not unmute yourself, children. Mute yourself. Finally, I'll see what all you have written, okay? Just follow what ma'am is saying. Next alphabet is B. Standing line. First draw a standing line. Right now we learn double curve. Yes? So one curve, another curve. B. One curve, another curve, B. One more time. First draw a standing line. Standing line first. And then one curve, another curve. B. Take your own time, children. Write on your own. Don't hold your parents' hands. Parents, you can guide them by giving dots. Those who are feeling very difficult to write B, you can guide them by giving dots like this. But please don't hold their hands. Next time when we are doing the worksheet, the same thing they will expect from you. So please don't hold your child's hand. Guide them by keeping dots in the slate. Even in worksheet time also you can do the same. B, a standing line, one curve, another curve. Very good, Adya. Prana, very good, ma. Sarah, let me see how you have written B. What? I can't see your slate. Hey, good, Sarah. Very good. Okay, next is C. C. Curve pattern. C. Children, don't erase it. Finally, you have to show what all you have written. So arrange your place accordingly and write. Either you can draw a box and write, or else in the line itself you can write straight line. But don't erase any of your alphabets. I'll be checking at last. Draw small checks and give it to them. Parents, let them write inside the checks. Or else give them notebook. Those who are writing very big letters, you can use your notebook, children, because you will not have enough space in your slate. Find a proper place to keep your slate and write, or else keep it on your lap and write. C. Next alphabet is D. Standing line, backside curve. D. Standing line, first a standing line and next a backside curve. We already learned this curve, no? D. D. Adarsh. Finish. If you have finished D, please let me know. D.
Fish,
Line,
ma'am.
front side curve. Very good. D. Very good.
Finish.
Next is E. E. How many sleeping line, children? 2 or 3? How many sleeping line for E? How many? 2 or 3? 1,
Me,
2,
ma'am.
3. 3 sleeping line. One standing line. 3 sleeping line. Make a letter E. E. E for Ilango. E for elephant. E for angular. E for egg. E. And the next letter is F. The same way, but no 3 sleeping lines, only 2 sleeping lines. F. Only 2 sleeping line. F. one standing line, two sleeping line, make a letter F. We'll skip G, children, because G tomorrow I'll teach you. It's little bit difficult. So G we need not write. Next alphabet is H. Standing line, sleeping line. H. H for horse. H for Hiteshri. H for house. Standing line, and a sleeping line. Yes, Shravanya, are you able to write? Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Very good, Shravanya, good. Next is I. I, children, first draw standing line. And then on top of it, one sleeping line. And in the bottom, one sleeping line. I. First, a standing line. Then on top of it, one sleeping line. Then down at the bottom, one sleeping line. I. We'll skip J and K. Okay, very good, Ma Kadambari. We'll skip J and K. Next, we are going to write is L, standing line and sleeping line. L. Standing line, sleeping line. L. Sarah, are you writing L? Sarah is in good mood today, writing everything. L. No, ulta L writing. See, like this, you should not write, children. Wrong. This is wrong. Not like that. L means a standing line first and then a sleeping line. I saw someone writing ulta. First sleeping line and then standing line. Not like that. Next, it's going to be M. M, children, we have learned mountain pattern. Do you remember? Up, down, up, down. The same mountain pattern you are going to write. Very good, Hiteshri. M. Up, down, up, down. See here, from bottom up, down, up, down. Without taking your hand, try to write. What happened to your ear, Yukta? Don't do like that, it's going to pain. Yes. Very good, Tilakar. M finished. The same way. N. See here, N. Up, down, up. Not again coming down. Again when you come down, it will become yum. See here, when I come down again, it becomes yum. So it is wrong. Only up, down, up. N. N. Up, down, up. But for M, you'll go up, down, for M. But for N, up, down, up. Only up. Not coming down. Okay? Is there any difficulty in writing? Please let me know so that I can guide you. Parents, if you are facing any difficulty to make your child write, please let me know.
Ma'am,
Yes,
Adarsh is not ready for writing, ma'am.
not ready for writing. Is he writing pattern, standing line, sleeping line?
He's writing standing line, sleeping line. When we asked him to join the dots, he is not ready to join the
Please
dots.
enable your
No
video.
time.
Enable your video. Mom. Give him the slate first.
Ma'am, சொல்றாங்க.
Slate and chocolate. Get your slate and chocolate. Or else give him the notebook and a crayon. Whatever he likes. If he doesn't like slate and chocolate, give him a notebook and a crayon. Yes, Adya.
She's not writing, ma'am.
Why,
She's
Adya?
like, that day she wrote L, H,
That's
and
why
all
it
sleeping
depends upon
line.
her mood, I think.
Now
She's
she's
not in the mood.
Yeah,
She's not in the mood of writing now, I think.
I want to sleep.
That's
yeah,
it.
just
But
I
she's able
don't
to
know.
write everything that I have seen on that day itself. She's able to write all the alphabet, but depends on her mood. She's not writing, so no issues.
Okay.
Whenever she's free, just practice her how to write the alphabet.
Okay.
She's right away.
Keep on telling her that during the class time only she should write. Then only I will know how she is writing.
Daily she's doing the homework.
Daily, she will do homework at the end of the day only. Even after I will tell her 10 to 12 times in a day, she will not do.
Okay.
So,
But when she
it
is
takes me
doing
a
in
lot.
the class class only, I don't know what she is writing, how she is writing. In case of any difficulty, I can help her.
Okay, we'll see, ma'am. I will try to get it done.
Chocolates or stars, whatever she needs, give her, bribe her, then only she'll write. Srinija finished?
Arya finished.
Very good. Very good, Arya. But the next alphabet is O. O is very easy. O. You don't have space in your slate, turn back and write. O. Ketchup. Right, O. Pranav. Very good. O. Next is P. Standing line and a curve. Only one curve. You're not going to write double curve. When you write double curve, what will it become? What alphabet will it become? It becomes B. So don't write double curve, only a single curve. Single backside curve. Begin the right. And then not a full curve. If you write a full curve, it becomes D, not like this. Half. Standing line and a half curve. P. Very good. Okay, that's it, children. I'm going to come back and check what all you have written. Yes. Finish, Ishta. Time for stars. Yeah, I'm getting my stars. Wait. Okay. 4 color stars. Whatever color you ask, I will give you children. Okay? Yukta, show me. Very good, Yukta. Yukta, pink color star. Very good, Yukta. Next is Pranav. Pranav. What color star you need, Pranav? Very good, Pranav. What color star you need, Pranav?
Pink star.
Pranav gets a green color star. Pranav, this is for you, Pranav.
I want star. Two.
Arya, but mute yourself, children. I call you everyone. I call you. It's not even one time. I call everyone. Okay. Next is Arya. Arya.
Ma'am, I want pink star.
You want pink star? Yes, Arya gets a pink color star.
Thank
Happy.
you.
Hiteshri.
Blue color star.
Show it to ma'am first.
First, you show me. Without showing it with your star, how will I give you? Want to cheat, mama? It will not happen. Very good, Hiteshri. You want pink color star, right? This is for Hiteshri. Happy?
Thank you.
Yeah, you are welcome. Next is Kadambari. Kadambari.
Star.
Very good, Kadambari. What color star you need?
I want two star.
Huh?
Two.
2 stars. Only 1 star. That's what color you need?
Gold.
What color you need?
Gold.
Silver.
Silver.
Red.
Silver.
Then what color?
White.
What color you need?
Silver.
Okay, red. Red, okay? Happy? Okay, next is chale ask Manasa.
Okay.
Manasa. Manasa.
Finish, ma'am.
Show me your notebook. Sorry, show me your slate. Very good. Notebook only I've written. Okay, what color star you need? Black. What color star? Green.
எனக்கு வந்து அந்த சைடு வேணும் இந்த
என்ன கலர் சொல்லு?
ஒயிட் கிரே
White.
வேணும்.
Wait a minute, I'll give you, okay? 1 minute.
வி W S
What color star you need? White. White, right? This is your white color star. Happy? Okay, next is
Thank you now.
Kevin. Yeah, welcome, Kevin. Kevin.
Kevin, come. Finish.
Kevin, whatever you have written, you show me. Very good, Kevin. A and B, C also. Very good. And this star goes for Kevin. Kevin.
Green.
Green. Come on, take it.
Take it. வாங்கிக்கோ.
Take
சரி அப்பா உனக்கு நான் கடையில வாங்கி தரேன்.
it.
Thank you, Salla.
No, ma'am is cheating. Sorry, Kevin. Next is Adya Sharma. Sorry, Kevin. What to do? Adya Sharma.
Ma'am, video is not working. Don't know. There is some issue.
Okay. Okay, I've given her pink color star. Let me know. Okay.
Okay. Ade see.
This is Tilakar. 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 Show me. Wow, Tilakar. And this star goes for Tilakar. Okay, next is Sara. Sara. What is lift it up and show me. Lift up and show me. I'm not able to see. Good, Sara. Very good girl. Sara wants pink or red. What do you want, pink or red? Pink or red?
I want
You want Pink or red? Choose it.
I want red.
Red. Chucho, red star. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Next is Ilango. Ilango.
Ma'am, yellow winner, ma'am.
Ilango. Good boy, Ilango. What star you need, Ilango?
What color star? Sulu.
Star வேண்டாமா Ilango?
என்ன color சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட.
What's that?
Let's do the color. Pink. Pink, ma'am. I want pink.
Green or pink?
Green pink.
Pink. I want pink, ma'am.
Pink. Okay, happy?
Oh,
Happy ma'am.
Nakshatra.
ma'am.
Welcome, Nakshatra. Where is Nakshatra? Hello, Nakshatra. You're such a sweetheart. You have written see very beautifully. Very good girl. What color star you need?
What color star?
Pink color. Yesterday also you got pink color only. See same pink color today also. Next is Nitish. Nitish. Nitish.
Yes, ma'am.
Nitish is here.
Ma'am, Nitish finished, ma'am. Ma'am.
Hey, wow, Nitish. Well done using dots. Very good. This star is for Nitish.
Thank you,
Nitish.
ma'am. That's a man.
Nitish. Good. Next is Nimalan. Nimalan. Show me Nimalan. Very good boy, Nimalan. This is for Nimalan. Welcome. Riyasri.
Riyasri, சொல்லு.
Riyasri.
No, come. Ma'am,
He wants green color, ma'am, Nimalan.
Green color. Okay.
Green star வேணும். Come. இத புடி.
Very good, Riyasri. What color star you need?
என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும்?
என்ன கலர் வேணும்?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Green. What color you need? Pink.
ஒழுங்கா சொல்லு.
Pink.
என்ன கலர் வேணும்?
I'm giving you pink.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you, ma'am.
Pink color star. Next is Keshav. 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 Very beautiful Keshav. For Keshav, I'm going to give 2 stars. Very beautifully written. So these 2 stars is for Keshav. Very good boy, Keshav. Sai Priyan. Welcome. Sai Priyan.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Show me how you have written. Very good. Yes. Tell me what he has written. Only till F. Sai Priyan. Till F only you have written.
It's ma'am.
Till F only you have written.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
It's ma'am.
Why? I told you to write till P, right? Finish it and show me, okay? This star goes for you.
Green color star.
Okay, ma'am.
Green color
Next
star.
is Pranavi. Pranavi and Pravina. Pranavi and Pravina. No one is there. Huh? Srinija. Srinija, very good Srinija. This star. Which color star you need?
Ma'am, she completed till Z, ma'am, actually.
Very good. Which color star you need? Tell me. I'll give you 2 stars today. Pink and green, huh? Pink and green, okay?
Yes.
Good girl, Srinija. Next is Shravanya. Forgot Shravanya. Shravanya. Shravanya is there. Show me. Very good, Shravanya. Good girl. This pink color star goes for you. Happy?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, welcome, Shravanya. Thank you so much, children. Did I miss out anyone? Did I miss anyone? No, right? I've called everyone, right? Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. You all have written it very well. Big round of applause for my children. From Monday, number 1. Pranavi and Pravina, I called you, but you didn't answer. Okay, bye. Bye, children.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Monica.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, Monica.
Bye.
Bye, Monica. Bye, Monica.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Kevin.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, Muslim. I'm சொல்ற Kevin. Bye, Kevin. நான் போற வந்து இந்த பாய் நிறுத்தவே கிடையாது. எப்படியாவது
Bye, bye, bye.